Greetings, Smith Elementary staff, and welcome to our presentation on cyberbullying, keeping our students safe while they learn. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is any type of harassing, threatening, demeaning, or embarrassing of another person online using the web or any other technological device. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. That means students in elementary, middle, and high school are experiencing cyberbullying. This is a sad truth that we need to step in and stop. Some common forms of cyberbullying are exclusion, being excluded from an online activity or conversation, harassment, sustained and intentional bullying, abusive or threatening messages sent to a child or a group, outing, publicly humiliating by posting online private or embarrassing content, cyberstalking, harassing a victim by online communications, fraping, someone hacking into a child's account and posting inappropriate things on their behalf, fake profiles, using a fake identity to do something like cyberbully, dissing, sending or posting cruel information about the person online, trickery, gaining the child's trust so that secrets could be shared online. These secrets are then exploited. Trolling, deliberately provoking a response by insulting someone online. And catfishing, stealing the child's information and creating a new profile pretending to be them. When we think of cyberbullying, it can often be compared to a virus. Carriers of this virus can often be the least suspected of people. They may be unaware of their own infection. This can be out of control in as little as a couple of hours. This virus feeds on people who are vulnerable to feelings of emotions, of hate, anger, envy, insecurity, and peer pressure. It can cause severe long-term effects, such as emotional scarring. It can cause depression and, in some cases, suicide. Can a school intervene in off-campus bullying? The answer is yes. The court made it clear that schools do have the authority to discipline students when speech articulated or behavior committed off campus results in a clear disruption of the school environment. A student being disciplined for cyberbullying may claim that their First Amendment right is being violated. But this right does not count if the bullying is sustainably or materially disturbing to the learning environment, if it interferes with the educational process or school discipline, if they utilized school-owned technology to harass or commit cyberbullying, or if they threaten other students or infringe on their civil rights. What responsibility do you have in all of this? You have to report. Why report cyberbullying? As an educator, you have a responsibility to do anything that has the potential to deny a student a safe learning experience. Once an educator learns that cyberbullying is taking place, they must do everything in their power to ensure that it stops. If not, you could be liable. When responding to bullying, it must be targeted. It must focus on the nature of the harassment. It must also be comprehensive, long-term, recurring programming. And finally, it must be effective. The bullying has to actually stop or at least be significantly reduced. This response to bullying requires diligence. If you have any additional questions about bullying, please contact your administration office. Thank you for doing your part in stopping cyberbullying.